In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import SRT file in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to make sure that you are in the Edit tab here in DaVinci Resolve, and then you want to navigate here into the Master panel right here where you can see the footage that you are using here on your timeline or work here in DaVinci Resolve. So you want to right click on an empty space under the Master panel, and then go into Import Media. Now in here, just simply locate your SRT file. So in my case, it's in the Downloads. So right here, and then just simply want to select the SRT file, click on Open. And from here, you'd now be able to see that right here under your Master Medias. So I'm going to go and drag this into my timeline. So this is the SRT file that I have just imported. And now here we have it. We now have it right here. And now when I play it, I will now have that subtitles into my video. And then I could just modify the text in here however I'd want right here on the Inspector tab on the right side. And then I could also see the timeline right here, the time in and out. So the timings of the captions or subtitles, I can change that right there and basically just do my edits in here. So yeah, this is how you would be able to import SRT file in DaVinci Resolve. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.